Hello, hi everyone. This is Dr. Erica. Again, thank you for joining me on this particular video. I'm going to be talking about mucus or congestion, also known as phlegm, and also treatments that can be utilized for um, the clearance of, and that will include home remedies as well as pharmaceutical and non-pharmaceutical treatments as well. So please stay tuned to the end of the video. Please like, share, and subscribe. Please hit that little subscribe in the corner there. Also leave comments and also topic suggestions that you would like to learn from. I'm Dr. Erica, pharmacist for close to 10 years now. I have had the privilege and honor to actually treat mucus-related diseases and also help patients pick out medications most effective for their particular case. So I am happy and ready to go over that information with you in detail today. So mucus usually is a product of viral infection. Also, it can be a product of bacterial infection as well, and it can be a product of lung disease, but not so much. But usually we see it more so in the flu and also the flu season, as well as the cold season as well. Less people are being able to exercise, and also people are taking antibiotics during that time to combat colds and flu-like symptoms. So therefore, mucus in the throat can build. There are reasons other than cold flu season, which can be sinus issues. Those patients who are dealing with sinus drainage that drains back into the throat can also experience the mucus or congestion as well. In this particular video, I'm going to talk about bacterial mucus, more so of the green that will experience, and that will also include sinus drainage mucus as well that sits in the back of the throat, and also the acid-base balance of the stomach can also cause a change in the mucus or congestion of the throat as well. So there are treatments that are particularly indicated for mucus thinning and mucus relief. Also, medications that that are over the counter and available, and that also are available in combination with pain medication and also cough suppressant medications as well. So I'll go over those in more detail, and also their extended release forms that give a patient more longevity of the use of the medication for 12 to 24-hour period range. Okay, so there are some home remedies that can be utilized, and those home remedies can include a product such as honey and warm water. Also, with a little sugar, can also help cause salivation, also mucus thinning and production of mucus for expectorant. And also, there are apple cider vinegar water combinations that also, taken once a day, that solution can help thin mucus as well. Okay, so again, that's once daily of a honey remedy with warm water and a little sugar once daily can also thin the mucus, as well as apple cider vinegar once daily as well. 1 teaspoon to 2 teaspoons a day. Okay, also good exercise. Good exercise can help get the blood flowing, get circulation going as well. All of that mucus will begin to thin, and then also it'll actually come up out of the throat. So do remember that good exercise and cardiovascular exercises, moderate to intense exercises, can help to thin mucus in the lung and throat, upper respiratory, to help thin and get that mucus out of the system. Another thing is also uh, foods such as garlic and ginger. Foods that are cooked with those particular ingredients can help digestive system and help with circulation and help with thinning mucus as well. If you are a patient or a person that likes to eat peppers, those who like to eat red tomatoes in their diet. All of those together as ingredients in diet can help to thin mucus on a regular basis, on a daily basis, and keep mucus built up to a minimum. Okay, next I want to talk about taking care of our oral hygiene and also taking care of our stomach indigestion as well. Taking care of those items or getting to the baseline of the problem can help to reduce mucus buildup. And that would include treating antacid type symptoms or GERD type symptoms to help reduce the amount of mucus that may build in the throat as well. So do be aware of that. There are antacids on the market that help to reduce indigestion. Also, the apple cider vinegar will help the stomach to become more acidic and more regulated and more normal so that mucus does not continue to build up as well. So do be aware of that. And then also there, in order to take care of the mucous membrane of the nose, there are nasal sodium saline solutions that I particularly recommend. Neilmed brand is a brand that is on the market, and it acts as an irrigation system where you would take the solution and then you would mix it up with the sodium packet that comes in the kit, and then you would actually rinse the nose one nostril and then out the other to clean out the mucous membrane, get the allergens off of the mucous membrane so that breathing can better, ventilation can occur better, and also congestion can be kept to a minimum in the throat area. Okay. Also, there are products that are therapeutic and pharmaceutical products that are out there, particularly the guaifenesin active ingredient. It comes in extended release form, and its brand name is Mucinex. Mucinex extended release, maximum release, or Mucinex DM, or Mucinex sinus pressure relief, depending on what other symptoms you may be dealing with. But mainly the active ingredient to help reduce mucus is going to be guaifenesin. Guaifenesin, I recommend take 12-hour to 24-hour dosing, may cause some drowsiness to help thin the mucus and get that mucus to a minimum, okay? So that is mainly the only particular active ingredient that's available over the counter. Other ingredients may include those that are prescribed, that may be in combination with other ingredients. But if you're just dealing with mucus, I would recommend you only stick with that particular one active ingredient. Okay. I have gone over the home remedies. I've gone over underlying conditions such as acid indigestion or GERD type symptoms that may be irritating the stomach and causing that phlegm to come up and to sit at the back of the throat. Also, I've gone over exercising, moderate intense exercising that will help to get blood flow working, get the energy going so that mucus can be thinned. Also, a good treatment is the nasal saline wash, again by Neilmed. By Neilmed, it's an irrigation system that pours into one nostril and the flow goes out into the other nostril, cleaning out the nasal passages. And then sinus pressure dripping can be also treated with a pharmaceutical product called the antihistamine. Antihistamines help to dry up the mucus, help to dry up the drip or nasal or sinus pressure drip as well. So do try a product such as the loratadine or Claritin. Also try Benadryl or diphenhydramine. Those particular antihistamines, they do have side effect of sedation or drowsiness, and also adverse effect of anticholinergic effects as well, which is dry eye, dry mouth. But they do have that benefit that is greater than the risk. So I do recommend an antihistamine. Also, then there's the lemon honey remedy with warm water once a day. Also, the apple cider vinegar with water once a day can help to reduce the mucus congestion as well. And then also cooking ingredients: garlic, ginger, red jalapeno peppers, or the pepper or green peppers and red peppers, bell peppers. All those type of ingredients that we cook with are natural remedies or natural treatments for congestion and infections, things like that. So I do recommend, if you're tolerable to those ingredients, do continue to use those and increase those in your regular diet. Okay, so that's all that I have for this particular video. I'll leave the information in the description below so that you can refer back to this video at a later date. Please like, share, and subscribe. Visit my other videos as well. I'm Dr. Onibola. Thank you for joining me. I hope to see you on the next video. Bye-bye.